Hi friends, my name is Kunal and welcome to my channel PMP Goals Made Easy for You. Today we are going to discuss on OPAs. What are OPAs, why they are called assets, and why they are used as a tool in project management. Let's get started. OPA refers to internal resources, policies and procedures, tools and templates. These assets are used during the entire project lifecycle, be it initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. Now, my friends, how project managers can leverage OPAs to drive successful project outcomes. Number one is standardized process. OPA provide project managers with standardized process, procedures, and guidelines specific to their organization. These established frameworks help project managers navigate through various project management phases consistently. By following documented processes, project managers can ensure a structured approach, maintain consistency across projects, and reduce the likelihood of errors or omissions. Managers can avoid repeating past mistakes with the information with the help of lessons learned. Project managers can save time and effort. OPS ensure that essential project management artifacts are consistently produced. Very important thing is that project managers can identify trends with the historical data, which ultimately helps project managers in making data-driven decisions and refine forecasting. Not only that, but project managers can have great support and collaboration, ultimately helping project managers to identify the stakeholders, which drives the projects in much more better and efficient way.